Hold on to the wall. Have your toes creep up the pool wall and toes pointing up. Heels are on the floor. Exhale, sink your body into the water. On an inhale, pull your body any amount to the wall. Feel the stretch. On the exhale, sink into the water. Rear floats back. Give it a break. Keep moving, inhaling as you stretch. Exhaling as you take a break. Now the next time you pull yourself towards the wall to feel the stretch, pause somewhere. The closer you get to the wall, the deeper the stretch will be. And then step back into water dog. In water dog, our feet are under our hips. As you melt your heart towards the floor, ensure that your heels, balls of the feet, toes are plugged into the planet. Thighs extending back behind you. Make sure your hands are in front of your shoulders as you gaze at the pool floor. Step your right foot forward, coming into a warrior one lunge. Your back heels up, squaring your hips and shoulders to face the wall. And then water dog on the exhale, step back. Second side, step your left foot forward, warrior one lunge. Squaring hips and shoulders to face the wall. Feel the strength of the legs. And then coming on out of it, water dog. Exhale. Once again, checking in that you're connected to the floor through the heels, the balls of the feet. Extending the thighs back behind you. Gazing at the floor. Slow breath in. Slow breath out.